Hello everyone. Today we will be taking a look at a very easy linked list problem. So, according to this problem, we have to reverse a linked list. So the way we reverse linked list is by having a previous pointer start at null. Uh, Let me explain this with an example. So say we have a node like this, 1 and the pointer to the next node, which is 2. And then this points to another node which may have value 3, and then this goes on till the end of the list, like points to something with a number n, and that ends with a null. So the way we do, we can use a two pointer technique to solve this. So we'll have two pointers, prev. We can call the previous node priv and the current node as current, and then we can store the value of the next node in a variable called nxt. So basically what we do is we take the next value and we reverse it to point to the previous value. This goes on like this. So this goes on and on and on till this thing. This points to its n minus 1th element. So that is how we do it. Let me code this out in Python. Um, so we can have our previous pointer set to null in the beginning, none in Python, and the next one to be the current one to be cur. Why? Um, One important thing to observe here is at the end of the list, the value pointer is going to be null. So we can use that to our advantage, and we could just do a while curr curr to head here. My bad. Next equal to uh, current dot head, current dot next. We get the next value from here like this. After that we could do, now since we have to reverse the list, so the cursor dot next is going to be previous, is going to point to the previous node. Then after that we have prev equal to current, and current moves on to the next. Current moves on to the next. The next D. And then we can return the previous node. At the end, this node becomes the head. So at the end, let me choose a color. This node becomes the head, and its value is going to be prev, prev. So we will return that. Let me run this and see if it works. Yep, it worked in all the cases. Now let me try to submit this and see what happens. Wow. This worked, but the runtime of this is pretty slow, and the memory is uh, is also not that efficient. This solution can be improved upon. I'll look into it and make a future video on it. Thanks for watching.